Sleep well. Thrive better. A recipe for healthy sleep habits for young people. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Encourage young people to set a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Encourage the development of a relaxing routine before bed. This could include activities such as reading a book. Limit screen time before bed. Encourage young people to limit their exposure to electronic devices for at least an hour before bedtime. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Ensure the bedroom is a comfortable and calming space for sleep. Encourage regular exercise. Engage young people in regular physical activity. Exercise helps promote better sleep, but they should avoid workouts close to bedtime. Promote a healthy diet. Encourage a well-balanced diet. That includes whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Foster a relaxing atmosphere. Encourage them to engage in activities like journaling, deep breathing exercises. Encourage limiting daytime napping. Educate about the importance of sleep. Teach young people about the benefits of good sleep and the impact it has on their overall health. Be a role model. As an adult, be a positive sleep role model by demonstrating good sleep habits yourself. To donate, scan QR code. Stay healthy.